Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mama Tumatunda, whereby we talk about parenting, motherhood and lifestyle. Good job. So once I woke up today, I did my morning routine. Right now it's currently around 12 for 5. Anasema ni bebe. Okay, changu bebe. Just a minute, baby. Oh, and the screen has been captured. Baby, hata hujanawa mdomo. Umetoka kukula tu maembe, hujanawa mdomo. Let me record. Please, let me record. Baby. Kiss people. Chum them. Chum. Baby, chum. Chum like mwah. Oh, thank you. Oh, mwah. Thank you. Okay, I mean, if you press record. So I want to take porridge. We have already taken the porridge. I did my morning workout and now I hydrated na sasa nataka kunywa uji. My porridge ni ile unga imemixiwa na everything, every other thing, everything. Sorry. Stop crying on the camera, baby. Sorry. Love you. Where's your car? Go get your car. Go get your car, baby. No. Okay. Where is it? Where's your car? So as I was saying, porridge yangu imemixiwa na every other thing kule kwa cereals. Alafu I blended some baby. Oh, I blended some jugu cashew nuts. Jugu zinaitangwa cashew nuts. Some nuts, the brown nuts. Alafu nikaekanga 1 kijiko of it in my porridge. Sasa hii ni game. The tripod inapeleka juu chini. Why? And they are about to take a bowl of food. Take it. Stop with that. A bowl of food. Usimwagike. Uswiti. Hizi ni leaves za madharo. Ndizi na waru. Na minced. Mtamu. Unachapa nani? Unachapa nani? Ambia. Unachapa nani? Utachapa tabia mbaya? Tabia mbaya. Tuchape. Usichape bro. And as I was saying, I always put my water here. Imeandikwa healthy and happy. Healthy and happy. I ensure that I've taken this. I don't know how many. I think this is 1 liter. I'm a 1.5. Haijaandikwa. I think it's 1.5. So I take perhaps 3 or 4 bottles in a day. What is it? Njugu karanga. And it's so nutritious with zero sugar. Zero sugar, man. Zero sugar. As I take, I will multitask. I will have to feed them with their food. Let's do this.
Mothers and caregivers of toddlers, are you toddlers or babies or children still feeding when they are in a stationary position? Because mine wangu walikata. You have to move along with them. Wherever they go, you move so that they may feed. If not that way, they won't feed at all. Ati mkae pahali wakule ati on a high seat or somewhere on a mat, they feed. No. We have to move everywhere. So in the meantime, let me do that as a gym kidogo so that they may feed. Keep tuned. Just a continuation of yesterday's vlog, and oh my god, look at my t-shirt. This is how busy I have been. It's afternoon around 2, so let's do an unpacking of some groceries I've gotten from the soccer through my rider. Today, as you can see, mimi ni mkulima. I'm in the farm, and today we are going to talk about cow farming. Sophie.
Ng'ombe mo. Aki. Nãy mồ.
Into the jungle. Into the jungle. Moo. 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 Sorry. Kuja. Mkono. Ende hapo juu. Ende hapo. Angalia mbele bibi. Angalia mbele. Panda hapa juu. Panda tu. Umepata nini? Pole pole tu. Pole pole. Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Mama Tumatunda, whereby we talk about parenting, motherhood and lifestyle. And today, as you can see, mimi ni mkulima. I'm in the farm and today we are going to talk about cow farming. Nimetoka kwa shamba by the way. Na hema. Nimetoka huko chini. Tukapanda hivi na nitawaonyesha kenye nimeona. Wow, farming is so awesome. You never lack. Your land will always be productive, and it's such a good, fulfilling feeling because your resources zina come through. You give back to the society, and the society gives back to you.